Hello students, today we'll be starting with the 8th chapter of Cyber, which is Computer Network. So let's get started. So here we have a computer network is a group of computers connected together so they can share information, data and devices like printers and scanners. It helps computers talk to each other. So what is a computer network? Computer network is a group of computers that are connected to each other. And why are they connected to each other? So that they can share information, data, and also devices like printers and scanners. Like, more than 2 computers or maybe 5 computers, they can all be connected to just one printer and scanner, and they can all the computers can use this single printer or scanner, right? So let's see what is a computer network. A computer network is when 2 or more computers are linked using wires or wireless signals. So computer network is when 2 or more computers, like there can be 5 computers, 10 computers, 20, 100 computers, and they will be connected to each other or linked with each other using what? Using wires or even wireless signals. So they can either be connected to each other with wires or wireless signals. This connection allows the computer to send messages, share files and use the same internet. So since they are connected to each other, it allows all the computers to send messages among each other, then also share files and also use the same internet together. Then why do we need computer networks? So let's see, why do we need computer networks? To share data quickly. If the computers are connected to each other, then we can easily send or share data very quickly. Then to send and receive emails. So in order to send and receive emails, the computers need to be connected via network, right? So to send and receive emails. Then to use the internet. So the computers that are connected together can use the same internet, right? So to use the internet. Then to share printers and scanners. So these printers and scanners are the devices, and many number of computers can be connected to the same printer or scanner and together use that single printer or scanner. Then to play multiplayer games. So when our computers are connected to each other, what can we do? We can play multiplayer games like example Free Fire or PUBG, right? Then types of computer networks. So let's see the types of computer networks. We have LAN. The full form of LAN is local area network. Local area network. So LAN is a type of computer network. It connects computers in a small area like a school or office. So what kind of a network is LAN? LAN is a kind of network which is the local area network, okay? So LAN is a kind of network that connects computers within a small area like a school or a office. So LAN is fast and easy to set up. LAN is fast and easy to set up. Remember students, LAN is used when computers in a small area like a school or office is connected. Then we have WAN, WAN. WAN means wide area network. So here the WAN connects computers over large areas like cities or countries. So LAN can only be used for small areas, right? But WAN can be used for larger areas, like the computers of a city can be connected to each other or using WAN, or maybe the computers of the entire country can be connected using the WAN, which is wide area network. The internet is the biggest example of WAN. So so we talk so much about the internet, right? So what is the internet? Internet is a type of computer network, right? WAN is a type of computer network which connects computers over large areas like cities and countries, right? So internet is the example of WAN. Internet is the example of WAN. Then we have how are computers connected? So computers are connected. We have just learned that wired network. Wired network means using cables. Using cables, the computers are connected to each other. So computers can also be connected to each other with wireless network. So here we don't have cables, right? You don't see any cables connecting the computers. You won't see anything. So these are called the wireless network. Example, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, right? You must be familiar with the words Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. When you connect your computer with a Wi-Fi, you are not connecting any cable or wire with the computer, right? So same goes for Bluetooth. Then both types help computer talk to each other and share resources. So computers are connected in two ways, either by wired network or wireless network. But both the types of these network helps computer talk to each other and share resources, right? Then devices used in a network. So let's see what are the devices used in a network. First we have the modem. Modem is the device that connects to the internet. Modem is the device that connects to the internet. Then we have the router. Router, the function of the router is to send Wi-Fi signals. The function of the router is to send Wi-Fi signals. Then we have the switch or the hub. So connects multiple computers in LAN. Just now we have learned what is LAN, right? LAN is a type of computer network that is used in small areas, right? Here you can see LAN is a type of computer network that is used to connect computers in a small area, right? So here, once again students, so here what is being said? It is said that the switch or the hub connects multiple computers in LAN. And then we have cables used in wired networks. So cables is also a kind of device, right? So in the wired networks, we need cables to connect the computers, right? So these are the devices that is used in a network. I'm repeating once again, modem is the device that connects to the internet. A router is the device that sends Wi-Fi signals. Switch or hub is the device that connects multiple computers in LAN. And cables are the device that is used in wired networks, right? Then we have the advantages of computer networks. So let's see what are the advantages of computer networks. So if the computers are connected to each other, then what happens? It saves time, right? We can easily and within very short span of time we can send messages, share information, right? So it saves time. Then saves money because why? If your computer is not connected to the internet or it does not have a network, then what happens? You will if it is not in the network, right? Then what will happen? Your device needs to have uh, a personal printer, a scanner. Every device should be present, right? Otherwise, how will you print? How will you scan? But then if the computers are connected to each other, then what happens? You can just print with a single printer. All the computers can be connected to the single printer or scanner. So in this way, you can save money because you don't need to buy individual printers or scanners for every computer, right? You can just share it, right? 10 computers, 20 computers can use the same printer or the scanner, right? So you don't have to buy individual printer or scanner for every computer. So in this way, you can save money. Then makes communication easier. So if there is computer network, then communication becomes way easier, right? We need little time, then we can easily share information, right? Then quick file sharing. So we can share the files very quickly, right? Then easy access to the internet. We also had very easy access. We can access the internet very easily. Then we have some network safety tips. Some network safety tips. So let's see. Use strong passwords. Do not open unknown links. Keep antivirus software updated and ask adult before downloading anything. So how can we, what are the safety tips that we need to follow on the internet or on the when our computer is in the when it is connected to the network, right? So we should use strong passwords. Then we should not open unknown links because it can contain virus. Then the antivirus software that we have installed in the computer, we need to update it from time to time so that it can take care of the viruses, right? Then also we should ask the adults before downloading anything because we might not know what thing can be present in the thing that we are going to download, in the program that we are going to download, right? So we need to ask the adult before downloading any software. Then let's move on to the question and answers. Here we have the multiple choice questions. So let's see, what is a computer network? So let's read out all the options. A group of friends, a collection of books, a group of connected computers, and a box of wires. So we have just learned that computer network is a group of connected computers, right? So the answer is C, a group of connected computers. Then we have which of the following is an example of a computer network. So the options are paint, internet, calculator, keyboard. So we have learned that internet is an example of computer network of WAN, right? So the correct answer will be B, internet, as you can see the answer here. Then what is LAN used for? So we have learned just now that LAN is used for connecting computers in a small area, right? So let's see the options. Connecting computers in a large city, connecting computers in one room or building, watching movies and storing music. So since LAN means connecting computers in a small area, so here we have in one room or a building. This is the small area, right? So the correct answer will be B, connecting computers in one room or building. Then which device is used to send Wi-Fi signals? So we have just learned the functions of certain devices, right? So we have printer, scanner, router, monitor. So it is the router which is used to send Wi-Fi signals, right? We have just learned in the previous page, I guess. So router is the device which is used to send Wi-Fi signals. Then let's move on to the next page. Here we have what type of network is used over large areas like countries. So WAN is the one that we use, that is used to connect computers over large areas, right? So we have WAN in option A. So the answer will be A, WAN. Then fill in the blanks. A computer network helps in dash files and data. So what does a computer network help in doing? It helps in sharing files and data, right? So the answer will be sharing. Then we have a dash connects to the internet. So connects to the internet. So which is the device that connects to the internet? The modem is the device that connects to the internet. So next question, we have dash networks use cables to connect computers. So when computers are connected with the help of cables, then it is called wired networks, right? So the answer will be wired networks use cables to connect computers. The next question we have, the internet is an example of a dash area network. So internet is an example of WAN, right? So the full form of WAN is Wide Area Network. So we will have the answer as the internet is an example of wide area network. So the answer will be wide. Then we have next question. In a network, multiple computers can share one dash. So in a computer, we have learned that multiple computers can share one printer or scanner, right? So we will just write one because we have one dash, right? So in a network, multiple computers can share one printer. Then let's move on to the next page. Here we have match the following. Here we have column A and column B. So first we have LAN, right? So let's read all the options here. Connects to the internet, shares Wi-Fi, big network like the internet, local network in one area, used in wired connections. So LAN is used to, LAN is what? LAN is a local network in one area, right? So LAN is the network between computers in one area, right? And the full form of LAN is local. So here we have learned that LAN, what is the meaning of LAN? Local area network, right? So here we have the full form of LAN as local area network, right? So here you can see local network and in one area, right? So LAN will match with D. So one will be D. Then we have WAN. WAN means wide area network, right? So here we have big network like the internet, right? WAN means big network like the internet, right? So 2 will match with C. Then we have the router. So what does the router do? Router shares Wi-Fi signals, right? We have just learned that router shares Wi-Fi signals, right? So 3 will match with B. Then we have modem. Modem, what it does, it connects to the internet. It is the device that connects to the internet, right? So 4 will match with A. Then cables. So what does cable do? Cable is a cable is used to connect computers, right? So cables used in wired connections. So 5 will match with E. Then we have true or false. A computer network can be wireless, which is true, right? A computer network can be wired and it can also be wireless, right? So the statement is true. Only two computers can make a network. No, that is false. More than two computers, like thousands of computers also can make a network. Thousands and millions of computers. So it is a false statement. Then a hub helps connect many computers in a network. So yes, that is true. Then we should always share our passwords in a network. No, that is false. Then a computer network saves time and money. Yes, the statement is true. So with this, we come to an end with this chapter. Study hard, students. See you in the next.